there, today we're going to discuss the difference in pronunciation and meaning of these two very similar words. As an English student, you will encounter throughout this process words that present same spelling but different meanings and sounds, like live and live, same pronunciation but different spellings and meanings, like laughed and laughed, and different meanings but same spelling and pronunciation, lie, frontal resting position, and lie to make a false statement. So why am I telling you this? So you know how crazy and confusing English can be sometimes. And today we're going to talk about two words that have different spellings and sounds, but that present similar meanings, and because of that they're used in similar situations, but they're not the same. The first one is advice with C, but it should be pronounced with an S sound. It is a noun and it means a suggestion about what someone should do. Can I give you an advice? Can I give you a suggestion? Now, the S in the verb advise should sound like Z and not S. Advise, to give someone an advice. I need you to advise me on something. I need you to give me an advice on something. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, to leave your comments below, and to like this video. I'll see you next week's session.